Hi, it's Anthony here from the Back in Motion Health Group. One of the most common questions we get asked is about knee pain. There's many different ways knee pain can be caused, whether it's a sporting injury, sitting too long in the car, going hiking on the weekend, some people in the latter stages of life with osteoarthritis. Knee pain is one of the biggest limiting factors to our enjoyment of life. I've got Sam with me here today who has knee pain, and we're going to show you a couple of exercises and things you can do to help with your knee pain. So, as I was saying, it could be an injury to the tendon, it could be a ligament sprain from sport, it could be tension coming from another area of the body like the back. So there's a lot of different causes for knee pain. I'll just show you here with Sam doing some step-ups, which is an exercise we often give for knee pain. This is a great way to strengthen the quads and keep things in the kneecap in nice alignment. Also for this, you might use a foam roller to release the tension down the outside of your leg to help the alignment of that kneecap. Whichever it is, it's great to come in for a free initial assessment so us as physios can assess the root cause of the problem and get you started on a rehabilitation program just for you.